How to fix Word cannot open the document, users does not have access privilege error. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Word cannot open a document, users does not have access privileges error. It's a common error, so let's fix it together. Now let's move on towards the video. You need to simply go ahead and find the Word document. Once you have found the Word document, you need to right click on it, and from here you need to go ahead and click on Properties. Now that you are here, you need to simply go ahead and click on Security, and once you have done that, you need to click on Advanced. Now you need to simply go ahead and click on Add option over here, and from here you can see in the top that says Principal. You need to go ahead and click on Select a Principal, and from here you can see that another box has appeared. You need to simply go ahead and click on Advanced. And now once you have done that, in the side you can see the Find Now option. You need to simply go ahead and click on that. From here you need to go ahead and select Authenticated Users. Now that you have done that, you need to click on OK, and then you need to go ahead and click on Full Control, and from here you need to click on OK again. Then you need to go ahead and click on Apply, and then you need to click on OK again. Then you need to click on OK again. And that's it. This might help you solve the problem. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.